Welcome to the another episode of Newswheel, and without any further delay, let's start today's news segment. Starting with our first news, Tata completed the 10,000 units of new Safari. Tata rolls out 10,000th unit of Tata Safari from the assembly line of its Pune factory. Company stated that the 100th Safari was produced in February this year, and it took just 4 months to reach the 10,000 units. New Safari is available in 6 and 7 seat configuration, with captain seats available in 6 seat variant, and is packed with 2.0 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine producing 170 bhp and 350 Nm of torque, fitted with 6-speed manual and automatic transmission. Now coming to the next news, Yamaha is planning for electric bikes. Yamaha has started working on electric vehicle platforms for Indian and global market. Yamaha is already been manufacturing EV models in Taiwan for the last 2 years in association with Gogora. Therefore, they have already dipped their hand in EV manufacturing technology. Therefore, following this, Yamaha has also launched new Facino 125 Fi hybrid scooter as a first step for entering EV space in Indian market. New Facino comes with electric power assist and many more technological advancement features. Also, it is packed with auto start-stop function, and it produces 30% more power and 60% more fuel efficient, but it weighs 4 kg less compared to its previous version. And pricing starts with 70,000 rupees at showroom Delhi. Moving to the next news segment, Java ready to rival Royal Enfield's electric bike. Java, which has currently 3 models in its portfolio for the Indian market, Java, Java 42 and Java Perak. Now, the brand is planning to enter into the EV segment that's getting pace in the country. CEO Ashish Singh Joshi stated that the company established a small R&D center in Coventry, UK, with a 12 to 15 BSA employees. The first Java electric bike is expected to launch around the end of 2022. Now the next news. 2021 Maestro Edge launched in Indian market. Hero has launched the new 2021 Hero Maestro Edge with 3 variants: drum, disc and last with top spec connected tech variant. The new Hero Maestro Edge 125 gets a full digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation and other alerts. The Hero Connect app also provides vehicle tracking, theft alert, find my parking and other various features. The scooter is packed with 124.6cc single-cylinder engine producing 9 bhp and 10.4 Nm of torque. Now the next news is also from Hero, the new Glamour X-Tech. Hero is now trending hot with new launches every week, mostly by upgrading its previous variants to fully digital clusters and with Bluetooth connectivity. Now Hero has launched the new Glamour X-Tech, which gets fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity. It also gets LED headlights and USB charger as a standard feature. The Glamour X-Tech is available in 2 variants of drum and disc variant. New Glamour is also featured with Connect Tech, which provides you call and SMS alerts along with turn-by-turn navigation paired with Google Maps, and side stand engine cutoff function and rollover sensor, which kills the power if vehicle falls down, while the power figures of this bike still remains unchanged. Now the next news is from TVS. TVS launched the iQube, an electric scooter in Pune. TVS Motor Company launched its first electric scooter in selected cities across the country. The price of the scooter is set to 1.1 lakh on road. Pune is the 3rd city to get the iQube after Bangalore and Delhi. It is powered by 4.4 kW electric motor with the top speed of 78 km/h and can do 0 to 40 in just 4.2 seconds. Coming to the next news, Maserati to come up with Levant Hybrid in India. Maserati to launch its hybrid SUV variant, the Levant Hybrid, in India by the later this year. Levant Hybrid is packed with 48-volt hybrid motor with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates 330 bhp and 450 Nm of torque, and it gives straight competition with Audi Q7, BMW X7 and Range Rover Sport. Moving to the next news, new Yamaha Tracer 9 GT ABS. Yamaha has launched the new Tracer 9 GT ABS in Japan. The adventure tourer bike is based on the new MT-09 and has received modification in terms of outer body as well as inner machine. The modification counts on new suspension setup, revised body structure and design, new frame covering the new engines fitted with new alloy wheels. The bike is priced about 9.5 lakhs approx in Indian currency and will launch in Japan on 28th of July. Now coming to the last news of this episode, Mahindra XUV 700. Earlier, Mahindra revealed its best in segment features of XUV 700 like auto booster headlamps, largest panoramic sunroof in the segment which Mahindra calls Skyroof with personalized safety alerts, best in class smart door handles which is a patent design of Mahindra. Now they revealed the best in class new features like driver drowsiness detection and smart filter technology that keeps you in a safe and comfort zone. While the official launch date is yet to be announced, but we expect the launching near the Independence Day. And now that's all for today in this news segment. This is Amit Singh signing off, and until next time keep watching Atomics Gears for more auto industry related updates.